16 animals that outsmart some humans. Have you ever wondered which animals are truly geniuses? In this video, you'll discover 16 of the most intelligent animals on the planet while we explore their incredible minds. From clever dolphins to problem-solving crows, these animals will blow your mind with their skills and creativity. Some can communicate, solve puzzles, and even plan ahead like humans. Prepare to be amazed by their intelligence, ingenuity, and personalities. Each story shows that intelligence comes in many forms, and the animal world is full of surprises. Let's explore 16 animals that are so smart that they will change the way you see animals forever. 1. Kelly the dolphin. Kelly, a dolphin at Marine World in Florida, was trained to pick up trash for fish rewards. But Kelly was no ordinary dolphin. She gamed the system by hiding big pieces of trash, tearing them into smaller pieces, and turning them in separately for more rewards. Her clever strategy stunned trainers and researchers alike. Kelly's behavior shows that dolphins can plan, manipulate, and adapt creatively. She understood cause and effect and found a way to maximize her rewards. Her intelligence demonstrates why dolphins are often considered the smartest marine mammals. Kelly's story proves that even simple tasks can reveal extraordinary cognitive abilities. 2. Betty, the New Caledonian crow. Betty became famous for bending straight wires into hooks to retrieve food from tubes. She did this without any prior training, demonstrating abstract reasoning and innovation. Researchers studied her carefully, discovering that crows like Betty understand cause and effect. Her ability to manipulate tools mirrors problem-solving skills seen in primates. Betty's intelligence shows that birds can think creatively and adapt to challenges. Her cleverness amazed scientists and made her one of the most famous crows in history. Betty proves that intelligence is not limited to mammals. Avian species can be brilliant too. If you're enjoying these incredible animal stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. 3. Kandula the elephant. Kandula, a famous elephant in Sri Lanka, is known for his memory and problem-solving skills. He can navigate complex environments and remember water and food sources for years. Kandula also shows empathy, comforting other elephants in distress. He has been observed using sticks and branches as tools, demonstrating creativity. His intelligence highlights why elephants are considered among the smartest land mammals. Kandula is both social and clever, balancing memory with emotional awareness. He's a true example of elephant genius in action. 4. Beautiful Jim Key. Beautiful Jim Key, a horse from the early 1900s in the USA, amazed audiences with his abilities. He allegedly could read, write, and perform arithmetic during shows. Jim Key's performances demonstrated not only memory but the ability to learn abstract concepts. He charmed audiences and showed that animals can exceed expectations. His intelligence inspired a movement emphasizing humane treatment of animals. Beautiful Jim Key proved that horses can be trained to accomplish extraordinary tasks. His legacy continues to inspire animal lovers and researchers alike. We're only a quarter of the way through, and the intelligence you've seen so far is just the beginning. The animals coming up next will completely blow your mind with their problem-solving, communication, and creativity. Stick around, you won't believe what the top ones can do. 5. Endall the Labrador Retriever. Endall was a service dog with incredible intelligence and devotion. He saved his disabled owner's life by calling for help and placing him in the recovery position. Endall understood complex commands and could operate household items to assist his owner. His problem-solving skills were remarkable, showing both reasoning and emotional awareness. Endall's ability to anticipate needs demonstrates a high level of canine intelligence. He wasn't just a helper, but a true companion with insight and care. Endall's story reminds us how smart and loyal dogs can be. 6. Rico the Border Collie. Rico, a Border Collie, understood over 200 words and could learn new ones after hearing them just once. His memory and language comprehension rivaled that of young children. Rico could fetch objects by name and follow multi-step instructions. Researchers observed his ability to generalize knowledge to new tasks. His intelligence shows the extraordinary learning potential of dogs. Rico could also infer the meaning of unknown words using context. He remains one of the smartest dogs ever studied. Sedmi Nok the beluga whale. Nok, a beluga whale, amazed scientists by mimicking human speech in captivity. He could reproduce words like hello and bye-bye, demonstrating advanced vocal learning. Nok also formed strong social bonds with his trainers and fellow whales. His mimicry showed both auditory intelligence and social understanding. Nok's skills highlight the cognitive abilities of marine mammals. He could communicate intentionally and respond to human cues. Nok remains a famous example of whale intelligence. 12. Gina the squirrel. Gina, a wild squirrel, is a master of planning and problem-solving. She remembers hundreds of hidden food caches and can relocate them months later. Gina outsmarts other squirrels by hiding food in deceptive locations. Researchers observed her learning from past experiences and adjusting strategies. Her intelligence shows that even small animals can think ahead. Gina's cleverness demonstrates remarkable memory and foresight. She proves that size doesn't determine smarts in the animal kingdom. 9. Nubia the goat. Nubia, a domestic goat, displayed advanced problem-solving and social intelligence. She could open gates, manipulate objects for food, and recognize individual humans. Nubia also learns quickly and enjoys exploring new challenges. Her playful and curious nature highlights cognitive flexibility. Researchers were amazed by her ability to plan and solve complex tasks. Nubia proves that goats are smarter than often credited. Her story makes us rethink what farm animals are capable of. 10. Maggie the cow. Maggie, a cow on a small farm, demonstrates memory and emotional intelligence. She remembers the faces of other cows and humans and navigates complex pathways to reach food. Maggie shows empathy, comforting stressed herd members. She can also learn new routines quickly and adapt to changes. Her intelligence proves that even farm animals possess remarkable cognitive abilities. Maggie's memory and awareness continue to surprise researchers. She's a gentle reminder that intelligence comes in many forms. 11. Jumpy the cattle dog mix. Jumpy could perform over 100 tricks, including painting and even surfing. His intelligence was a mix of memory, problem-solving, and creativity. Jumpy learned new tricks quickly and loved interacting with humans. He demonstrated motor skills that few dogs can achieve. His playful nature and cleverness made him a star. Jumpy shows that dogs can combine physical ability with cognitive skill. He remains one of the most talented dogs ever documented. Oniki, Nikisi the African gray parrot. Nikisi spoke over 1,000 words and used them in sentences, sometimes even joking. He could combine words creatively to communicate desires and observations. His intelligence rivaled that of young children in language tasks. Nikisi demonstrated memory, reasoning, and social awareness. African gray parrots like him are known for problem-solving skills. Nikisi's abilities highlight the complexity of avian cognition. He remains a remarkable example of parrot intelligence and humor. Orange, Hamlet and King Neptune the pigs. Hamlet, a pot-bellied pig, and King Neptune, a Y2-era pig, amazed humans with intelligence. Hamlet learned to play video games using a joystick. King Neptune could recognize people and follow cues at events, showing memory and trainability. Both pigs demonstrated problem-solving skills and learning ability. Their stories prove that pigs are highly intelligent and adaptable. They can understand cause and effect and even engage in creative play. Hamlet and Neptune remind us that intelligence is not limited to traditional pets. 14. Ebisu the cat. Ebisu, a Japanese cat, could imitate human movements, such as opening drawers. Her cleverness shows that cats can observe, plan, and manipulate their environment. Ebisu's skills required memory, dexterity, and focus. She could repeat tasks consistently, demonstrating learning ability. Cats like Ebisu are often underestimated in intelligence. Her creativity and imitation skills amazed her owners. Ebisu proves that feline intelligence is subtle but impressive. 15. Clever Hans the horse. Clever Hans, a German horse from the early 1900s, amazed people by solving math problems by tapping his hoof. Although later studies revealed he responded to subtle human cues, his ability to read social signals was extraordinary. Hans could sense subtle body language and adjust behavior accordingly. His intelligence demonstrated learning, attention, and social awareness. Clever Hans became a famous example of animal cognition in history. He showed that animals can interpret and respond to complex social cues. Hans reminds us that intelligence comes in many surprising forms. 16. Akeakamai the dolphin. Akeakamai stunned scientists by understanding complex instructions and learning syntax rules. She could differentiate between commands like touch the ball with your tail and use the ball to touch your tail. Her comprehension level shocked researchers and proved dolphins understand grammar-like structures. Akeakamai also invented her own play routines, showing creativity. Dolphins like her demonstrate two-way communication potential. Her intelligence pushes the boundaries of marine cognition. Akeakamai remains one of the most brilliant examples of dolphin intelligence ever recorded. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing animal stories, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. We have a goal to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and every single one of you helps us get closer. By subscribing, you'll keep up with more incredible animal intelligence videos. Hit that like button, share this video, and join our amazing community. Let's celebrate the brilliance of these incredible animals together.